Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2011 Ford Escape and I will show you how to remove and replace the engine air filter. This video will apply to second generation of these Ford Escapes made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. Now it is really easy to replace the engine air filter. You don't even need any kind of tools. The air filter is located just under this cover. To remove the cover you will have a couple of clips. You'll have two on this side, so you just want to unclip it by pulling it up. You'll have one clip here and you'll have one clip on this side, and now you can just leave the cover straight up, and under the cover there is the filter. To remove the filter you just want to pull it straight up, remove it, clean out all the junk and dirt from this air filter box and install the new air filter. And that's pretty much everything. As easy as that. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.